previously on Adrien's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough. Adrien was very pissed yesterday, so hopefully today he won't be half as mad and will be acting a bit more decent. It was too much. So previously in the Pokemon Emerald walkthrough, we went to look for Archie, who was waking up Kyogre, and when he did so, since Maxie already woke up Groudon, the two started fighting in what's the name of that city? Pseudopolis. So we had to find fucking Pseudopolis. It was already plenty fun. And then we had to go and look for the Sky Pillar where Rayquaza is sleeping. We did wake up Rayquaza, and I stopped at just that because I was fucking done. I hope we can fly from here and I don't have to climb back down. We fucking can. So yeah, we had to look all the way here. We even ended up in Evergrande before finding the Sky Pillar that is here. Should we go to Pacific Log? I'm not gonna catch Rayquaza, so who cares? But hey, hi, hope you're doing fine. Cutscene. Thunder. Thunder. Good. Imagine I was 10 when I saw that for the first time and I was like, look at this. Majestic. He just sent them both back to their houses. I get it, Kyogre is getting underwater. Where's Groudon going though? What's that? Or should we get Rayquaza? I'm replying the chat if we should. I don't know, it's so powerful, but like... But my objective is to complete the game, not to prove anything. Else I would do in Nuzlocke, which I never will. It's pretty dumb of an idea, that thing. What's my priority? Because I could replace Taylor with Rayquaza. I don't even need Lucky. Chaos, Dio, Diablo. Chaos will stay up, because... I think it's a water gem. The water is dyed blue. So the super ancient Pokemon were only Groudon and Kyogre. After all our fruitless scheming and frantic efforts, that one Pokemon's simple action puts everything right again, as if nothing had happened. Phew, ha 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 ha. Okay, Kyogre and Groudon both flew off to who knows where. The weather in Hoenn has returned to its normal state. Ha ha ha. Maybe what we were trying to do was something small, even meaningless, to Pokemon. I guess it was. It just blasted off. Ads, my eyes didn't deceive me. Thanks to your help, Pseudopolis, no, all of Hoenn was saved. On behalf of the people, I thank you. This is a gift from me. Please accept it. Obtain the HM07. Waterfall? Yes, that's how we get into Evergrande. And where does one get the rain badge? No, don't you? That's right, you have to beat the Pseudopolis gym leader. When you're all set to go, step through that door. I will, Wallace. Steven, it looks like both Maxie and Archie have gone away somewhere. Perhaps they've gone to Mount Pyre to return those orbs. Maybe. Yo, how's it going, champion-bound ads? Pseudopolis' gym leader 1 is a master of water-type Pokemon, and to get to 1, an icy floor will hamper your progress. Listen, I'm sorry, but that's all the advice I have for you. The rest of the way, you have to go for it yourself. Thank you, my best man. I'm definitely gonna be invited to my wedding. Emerald, Takeo, I don't know how you would say that, is the best Pokemon game. And yo, Jeremy. Hedge, Lumi. I like how, that's the thing I like about live streams, when you build that kind of routine. So even when I complete Emerald, I'll have to find something to play. Yes, I know this puzzle by heart. In Ruby and Sapphire, it was way harder. But I actually want to fight everyone, so we're gonna drop down. So maybe today, what we're gonna... Ooh, damn. What we're gonna do today is just... Shit, I tried to get a double battle. The Pokemon gym of the highest level in Hoenn region was a Pseudopolis gym. And it's only ladies. The leader is named Juan, and it's only ladies there. Beauty Bridget will like to battle. Send out Azumarill. So yeah, guys, please tell me in the chat if I should go and get Rayquaza. I do have one Master Ball. Well, you only get one per game, so tell me if I should get Rayquaza. Shit. For Azumarill, use Roll Out. And I'm gonna use Quick Attack. That's what I hate. I'm level 42 and I still have fucking Quick Attack. That's one of my full moves. Ludicrous. What a high level you are. It's just 42, bish. Giggle, your grim look is so charming. Do I have a grim look? That's kinda rude. By the way, is my hair growing? I feel so old like this. And I still got a good hairline. I always have hair on my head. That I'm sure of, because I've seen my dad and my grandfather. It's always gonna go white. All of it's gonna go white. That's for certain. But I'm still always gonna have hair. But still, it's so fucking odd when I wash my hair and I just have that thing. I said that. Wow, what 8,000 Poké dollars? Wow, lady. I want to battle both of you at once. Yes. When I'm with my Pokemon, the time flies by before you can say oops. I train my Pokemon together with Juan. Don't think I'm a pushover. Yeah, is that the only thing you train with Juan? Lady? Pokemon Bethany and Beauty Olivia went to battle. Azurill and Clumper. Gokals and Dio, as per usual. By the way, tomorrow I should get the webcam and the headset, so hopefully the sound's gonna be better. That's from tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Because I know it's pretty low, I'm sorry. You can't see it, but this headset is really dying. You can see the wire, the copper inside, you can clearly see it. And Dio didn't connect. Thanks, fuck. Slam. That's good. Use that on you, use that on you. Great, now you're not even gonna get to connect that move. Well, yeah. For Azurill fainted, cost Dio gain. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Viva l'Algérie. That's a French joke for you. Dio flinch, yeah, we got that. But maybe that peut-être I was gonna just go back to French. Also, yeah, I'm keeping the moustache and the beard, just so I can completely look like a monk. No, monks don't look like this. They're clean shaven from top to bottom, if you know what I mean. Woo! Dio used Dynamic Punch and it's still not working. That Azumarill is so thick. Blue Pikachu looking ass motherfucker. Should have completely shaved everything. If you know what I... Okay, I'll stop. Dio is trying to learn Slash. Delete a move to make room for Slash. Well, Quick Attack is definitely taking the trap. 1, 2, 3, Viva l'Algérie. Another thing I like about what is it? Wow, my great memory about live streams is that you get jokes that become running gags. That's nice. So I don't know, do we have Reading Gags already? I didn't pay attention. I just say shit at random. So yeah, I'm pretty sure today we're only gonna do this gym because I'm trying to fight everyone, and I might go and get Rayquaza. Slash that bitch. Cars grew to level 43. Actually, tell me if you want me to keep playing Pokemon Emerald after, because there's a lot to do in that game. Tell me if you want me to keep on playing even when I'm done with a story. I think I should get rid of Absorb because I would have wished to have got Mega Drain. I think to get Mega Drain and Giga Drain, you must have not evolved Trico until level like 24, and it's gonna get that. But or is it the newer generations? I'm counting on my memory. Great idea. Ah, lady. A graceful glide across the ice while across without a trainer putting on that performance will be elegantly beautiful. I am elegantly beautiful. Have you seen my head? You like my hair? Gee, thanks. I wish I still had some. Recently on my personal Instagram I've been posting a lot of pictures. I don't know why it's becoming Vanity Fair all of a sudden. Dun, dun, dun. It's an shop. The shark Pokemon, but I don't say the name of. Shit, I'm not shifting. Dun 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 dun. I'm running out of PP from Leaf Blade. It's gonna become an issue. But yet it's super effective. So guys, what do you do to keep yourself occupied during the day? Because I end up only doing one thing that is either, no, not just one thing, but two things. Either playing video games or eating. I know it's a bit cliche, but I should stop doing that. You came all the way here, but you won't get to see one. Not if you lose to me, you won't. Again, people have to be so intense in this game, I just don't get it. Leaf Blade, that bitch. It's super effective. Last Chrissy, Wilson, Wilmer. I can still take it, but I'm gonna run out of PP. But I think I've got a berry to. I think you should get like so. When do you get Solar Beam? Do you have to buy it in this game? Okay, Google. Wow. I was not very loud and it's still activated. I'm gonna lock my phone now because this is not helpful. Player defeated last Chrissy. You're strong. I was fooled by your cute looks. Thank you. Double battle. Should we try and give you some PP first? Restores 10 PP, but I only have one left. But it's fine. Because else I won't be able to get out of this gym. The sight of one conducting a battle, the very beauty of it compelled me to become a trainer. I can battle with really rare Pokemon if you like. Let's see, I hope she's not sending out a love disc as really rare Pokemon. Oh yeah, I guess what you mean. Phoebus, but that's pretty pointless, lady. Well, no. Phoebus only evolves into Milotic if its beauty stat is completely is maxed out. So it makes sense that this thing is still that ugly. You can be level 39 and still never became beautiful. You're not defined by your levels. The beauty is in the inside. Says me, the Vanity Fair of human beings. Lady Daphne, and I love this. Dio used slash. I'm gonna repeat that. Are you gonna send another Phoebus? It's so fucking hard to get one, and you have two. I think I'm gonna go and get Rayquaza. I know I said I wouldn't before, but my superpower is that I adapt to things, and right now I am adapting to things because I kind of think that we don't have much more episodes. Because after that it's Victory Road and then Elite Four, and then it's up to you to decide if you want me to play more of this. Else I'll have to get a capture card so I can capture footage from the PS4. Oh, there now. Did you have a good look at my Pokemon? I hope you give a lot of money. You did give a lot of money. Thank you, lady. The lady. Cringe. I'll show you the Sublime techniques I learned from our leader, Juan. Couldn't you have a more cliche name? Juan? Course used Live Blade. Also, I don't know how to snap. I mean, I get to do it once in a while, but then it's only flaccid flesh. Player defeated Lysandria. Forgive me for I have sinned, Lord One. I should teach you how harsh battles can be. Is that a sex proposition? Don't say that, Adrien. This is a Christian chat. Dun 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 dun. Other thing, if I go back to get Rayquaza, where the fuck did I go to get Rayquaza? That's the real question. I hated going there. I think I've got a solution though. I'm gonna go and get a lot of repels, whatever the fuck that is. One step into the water and it's a Magikarp. Go cows. Where is your... Oh my god, I can't... Why are you blocking the way? They're gone. It was you who brought that flying Pokemon here, why aren't you amazing? Yes, I am. But move, bitch. Get out of the... What is that green Pokemon? Get out of my way, bitch. Is the Pokemon shop on the other side? I don't know. Why is my voice getting all raspy? F's in the chat? We have to see you again. Let me just check something. Boom. Yes, I am a boomer. Yes, I ruined the economy. Yeah, the Pokemon boss is here. Because... Repel. Max Repel for 7. Good. Good price. Not just one. I need like 20. 40. I know I don't have room for... Wait, is there something I can sell? Soft sand, riddle, no. No. Isn't there anything I can sell? Big Pearl. Sell at a high price. Might as well. Stardust sells at a medium price. Is there anything else? Yes, I'd like to buy all of your repels. 20? More like 40. Here you go, thank you very much. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, because right now I'm gonna go and get myself a legendary Pokemon. Yes, I know, I wouldn't get one, but I lie a lot. The sea is deep here. Would you like to use dive? Of course I would. Smart ass. Light is filtering down from above. Would you like to use dive? Crowd, don't use dive. So, for first things first, Max Repel. Thank you. We're also gonna fight all the trainers we skipped on the way. How about you two? I can live with or without you. No clue why I decided to sing that. No, we didn't fight. Oof, oof, oof. I'm a mermaid. Sure. Swim and Nikki would like to battle. Swim and Nikki and Mariel. Go cows. Hit them with that leaf blade. Blue Pikachu looking ass motherfucker. It's super effective for Mariel fainted. About to use feel, but I think I can manage. Yeah, I'm definitely a bit more joyful today, but I'm pretty sure if this route becomes too long, I'm gonna be pissed again. And I remember that now that you moved, you woke up Rayquaza from the Sky Pillar, he's gonna be, he kind of broke that thing, and now you got a kind of not puzzle, but a parkour thing to do there. And it's pretty fucking hard when you do it with a controller. Let's see now. I'm a pro gamer, I shouldn't have an issue. Right. I think we're on the right route. Pretty sure we are. Swimming is a full body workout, you will get fit. Alright. Swimmer Barry would like to battle. Swimmer Barry is now Gyarados. Did you know Gyarados is a water and flying type? Where the fuck do you see wings on that thing? I get it for Mega Gyarados. Ah, Pokemon. Logic is not your forte. Imagine if we were in the Pokemon world and that fucking thing was just flying. Dun, 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 dun. I made it. You win. I always do. Bye. Stole your lunch money, bitch. Lasagna, bitch. Repels effect wore off. Okay, what's the thing? You have to go back in the bag and use another. Shit, I didn't, it was not the right route. I just went in circles. Bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. T-Series and nothing but a bitch, lasagna. Bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. Look at T-Series, they're just crying for the mama. Do you have a rival whom you just hate to lose against? Myself, I guess I'm my biggest enemy. Donnie would like to battle and say now Wingull. Wingull, the rat of the sea. No, the Zubat of the sea. Plus level 26. The difference is huge. Get that thing to level 20 and then you get the actual proper Pokemon. Like, I read about the origin stories of Pokemons and their design, their concepts and all, because I'm that type of nerd. And I saw that it's like a Japanese or Chinese thing where there was like a corp that could turn into a dragon and blah blah blah. That was why water dragon, because you know Asian dragons are not like European ones. So basically, that was that. Another fight, but like it's huge. Not like my PP, but it's huge. Cool trainer Alex, I would like to battle and send out Gloom. Okay, bad matchup. Gloom is grass and poison. Wait, you can't run, says I to myself. Cause that's enough. That's enough. So Gloom used that. Oh my god. I think paralysis is the status effect I hate the most. Place kick. Anime logic. I started playing Overwatch again and I'm such a weeb. Like, when I get an ult with Genji, I will go Ryujin. Wait, what is it? Ryujin no Ken Wokure. I would literally say that. When I get Hanzo's thingy ult, I will go Ryuga Wagateki Wokurao. I am a weeb. I'm a serious weeb. Also, when I get the self-destruct, I go with Diva. I will go love Diva. So I'm a gay weeb. Overwatch is just so good. A day spent without playing Overwatch is just a day wasted, to be honest. But when I'm done streaming, I think I'm gonna go and play Monster Hunter. What water is Diary Blue? Diablo used? Surf. Wow. Do you want to fight? Okay, we already fought. Shit got gay. Gay. Already fought. There's nothing for a loser. Time for me to beat it home. Beat it, beat it. This is my first reaction. I'm all tense and nervous, like your first time having. You know I am looking for something, so I don't have to say sex right now, and I can't find it. Gay. After Chase is about to send Starry. Once again, my leaf blade is going in the yellow, which is soon to be red. Because pretty much everyone's got water type Pokemon here. They're in the water, aren't they? Wow, I failed to win. You did fail to win. What are these things on the floor? Your balls? Did you drop? Lady, can we fight? We fought already, it seems. Okay, you can stop talking now. If we can't fight again, it's a waste of my time. What's the hurry? Let's take it slow and easy. Without an invitation. Serving isn't as easy as it seems. Isn't that right? I guess this is a PG-18 Pokemon Emerald walkthrough. Yesterday, I decided to go back on Overwatch's Reddit. Because like everything that I'm currently playing, I will go on their Reddit so I can stay part of the community. And you just type Overwatch in the search bar. First thing is Overwatch. Second thing is Overwatch porn. And I was like, why? Why? What rule is it? Is it rule 24 or 42? If it exists, there's porn of it. I was so disappointed. Dio used that. Oh shit, it's us again. She can't fuck with me, so she just fuck my friend. I say boom, no, 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 no. Now we be creeping up at 10 happening, weird again. I say Cody, go up. I say, bitch, I'm going Peter Pan. Nintendo Pawn. Nintendo Pawn, Jeremy. That's how we call it in the business. Some Nintendo Pawn. Ew, I just thought about that. Like, I get it, why you would have Pawn from Overwatch. Like, all the character models are stunning. But ew, Nintendo Pawn. Bulba Bulba. Think about it. Don't think about it, actually. Let it slide. Could you imagine Animal Crossing Pawn? Tom Nook. Do you want to feel my nuke? Oh, that's where the expression to search through every nook and cranny comes from. Oh Jesus, why have you forsaken me? Because I don't believe in you, yeah. That's that. Wii Fit avatars in Super Mario. The Wii Fit avatar is literally a non-human being. Oh my god, it's like the blendest thing. Bro, there was just a small part there. Ben 10 Pawn. Wow. Wow. I didn't expect that one. I mean, I can turn into everything you want, baby. So yeah, I can think about that one. Gross? Very gross. Do we have some healing items? Before saying something even worse. Jesus, just hyper potions? You won't talk about how you know about that. Yeah, I should have questioned. How would you know? What do you know of it? Again, my only issue at the moment, I was talking about that with a friend, is that the influx of stepmom, stepsister shit, like, why? Repel's effect wore off. That's child porn right there. It is, because Ben 10 is like 10, isn't he? I know that there's a second season of Ben 10, right? Where he's older and it's a different styling. I remember that. I remember, yeah, that there is that. Oh shit. But yeah, in the second one he's like a teenager, but in the first one he's pretty much 10. I think it's Ben 10 Omniverse? I don't remember. Slam that bitch. Unicorn fish looking motherfucker. You just look like a water dildo, Goldie. Okay, stop roasting the fucking Pokemon. It didn't do any harm to you. Bowser, oh, it was so disgusting. Like, why would people do that? Give her a crown and make her into a lady, and lady a girl. It doesn't work like this, because why would she? Why would Bowser? Why would she? They got me. Why would Bowser, which is a kind of turtle dinosaur thing, turn into a blonde, big boob, big titty golf girlfriend? Why would he? It was disgusting. The internet is such a terrible place. People are the worst. Like the vast blue sea, the world of Pokemon spans depths beyond itself. Oh, that's so profound. But you still lost, bish. Floating in the open sea like this, it's peaceful. I bet it is. I bet it is. My friend who's squatting in the water. Swimmer Santiago would like to battle. Swimmer Santiago sent out tentacle. Sorry. At least it'll give good HP tentacle, but I'll have to use two. Well, I'll use a Leaf Blade and then a Slam. Come on and slam. Come on and... I don't know why I'm so joyful today. Because I'm getting the webcam tomorrow. So I can start an OnlyFans account. What do you say? Should I start selling my nudes? Because for all these years I've been giving them out for free, like... This is not Charity. Charity is my stripper name, actually. Imagine being mixed race and from black and white, and you call yourself your stripper name Ebony and Ivory. Rough, man, rough. Yes, I know, a lot of things are broken in me. Hello, this is Walter. You sound well, Ads. I've traveled around the world, but I must say I've taken a great shine to this region. I plan to stay here a while, perhaps we can meet again. I've not forgotten your dazzling techniques. I do hope for a rematch. Thank you. I already forgot your name. You're not in sync, that's why. Finally. But I think I battled the one in the blue cup. If you can beat me, I'll give you some grid information. Yeah, I did. At least I remember that. Triathlete Talia. Talia? What's your sister's name? Nins? Haha! College humor. I should work. It's super effective. Cast gain 771. It's a good experience. It's not so much grinding as it's just like traveling. Swimmer Richard, nickname Dick. This is a filth Pokemon walkthrough. And he's gonna use Protect like a little bitch, the little bitch that he is. Fucking Richard. How many Protects can you use? That thing should not work that easily twice in a row. Come on and slam. Shouldn't quick attack take effect before they use anything? Unnecessarily long. Like my pain. Terrible, terrible humor. Am I like 5? Less than that? Why do men love birthing suits so much? They all ogle me. I'm not gonna reply to this question. Seeking. So a male dildo. I mean, male dildo, I don't know. Attacks that hit more than once. For seeking, use Fury Attack for like 10 times. Yeah, 2 times. I don't believe you. For seeking, fainted. Player defeated swimmer Kara. I'm out of my depth. My journey depth. The sea, the sea, the sea, the sea as far as these eyes can see. I'm sick and tired of the sea. You can just go home, you know, you were not born in the sea. That's not a thing. Except I guess for Christians. I was gonna ask for Pursuit to actually one hit KO. I was expecting it to actually do it. It's good, pretty good, since I'm running out of Leaf Blades. And it's clearly not trying to hurt me. Although I should consider using a potion, but... Why did... Oh, it did crit. And I think you die. No! Great. But you might. Hopefully? Good. With the XP. Player defeated swimmer Herman. Blah. He just puked. He was so disgusted of losing. Okay, I'm gonna have to... Hi sweetie, wait. We should battle, you and I. Susie would like to battle and say, I love this. Wow. Great Pokemon, that. Looks like a sex toy. Player defeated swimmer Susie. Good. We'll work together as siblings to take you on, and you will lose together as siblings. Family sticks together, always. Enjoy as in defeat. Season Borelli and Ian send out Azurill and Wingull. Shit, because I don't think that Azumarill would die. I have to try. Worked. Great. I just hope they don't have 2 more Pokemon. Shit. Oof! I didn't know Wingull would go faster. Good. I don't think they have more Pokemon. Yeah. We couldn't win even though we worked together. Happens. Ooh, we had Pacific Log. Thanks, Rock. Pacific Log also is another nice concept. Look at this. It's completely built on water, it floats. Fortitude. Do we have time to get Rayquaza? Do we have time to get Rayquaza and beat 1? I don't think so. Because you're gonna see when we start doing that platform puzzle thingy, my patience gonna run thin. Repels effect off. But we can just reuse it again, can't we? Good. Now off to the Sky Pillar. The water is dyed deep blue. Would you like to go and surf? Come on and surf. Come on and... I don't remember the lyrics to that song. I'm not that old though. Is it here? It is. It's very close to Pacific Log. Run. So yeah. Okay. See these things? They crack. And see, something that I do is cheat. It's not really cheating. You just have to go fast in... GG. Pro gamer. This one's gonna be tough. Have some faith in me. Shit. Use another, because there are Pokemon here and I don't want to be doing a mad lad thing and just get cut off by a random battle. Adrien saves the game. Shit. Okay. Nope, 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 nope. Save here. No. Did it. Oof. Didn't take that many tries compared to what I use a repel. Why? And you're only level 34. If at least you were higher than my course, which is level 47. What the fuck, Golbat? Really, you're trash. Please, no more of that platforming shit. I don't remember if there's more. I don't think there's more. Another level 34 Pokemon. When my first Pokemon is level 47 and I've got a max repel on. I do, right? Here we are. Should we try and battle it though? Because you can of course catch any Pokemon with a random Pokeball, a regular Pokeball, but we're on a schedule here. We went way faster than I expected. In this game you should keep your Master Ball so you can try and catch Latios and Latias. Because they are roaming Pokemon. You will find them at random, and when you do, they can just run off. I do have a special compartment for bikes. Where is it? Rayquaza has a theme. I'll just use a Pokeball, we won't. I don't have time for that. A Master Ball, my bad. Let's use the Master Ball. I'm gonna nickname it Emperio. No, just Emperor. Should I name it Emperio? Because it's the best Pokemon ever. Now we can fly the fuck off. Back to Pseudopolis and take on that gym. Goodbye, Swalo. Tailo. I don't remember, I don't care which one you are. Plus I think Rayquaza already has Fly. Correct me if I'm wrong, Rayquaza. No, you're right, Adoya. As usual. Okay, now we take on the leader of his gym. We've got 12 minutes. No biggie. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Here we go, Juan. Let me ask you, did you know? I should not be so coy. It was I who taught Wallace everything there is to know about Pokemon. Once I had given up my position as a gym leader, in my place I had entrusted Wallace with a gym. However, a compelling reason arose for me to make a comeback. But enough chatter. Let us begin our match, shall we? Please, you shall bear witness to our artistry. A grand illusion of water sculpted by Pokemon and myself. So much talk and you're gonna get your ass handed. Nonetheless. Leader 1 would like to battle. Leader 1, send out Love Dusk. The sex toy Pokemon. How would you know about a sex toy, Adria? Research purposes. Everybody, everybody, chill. Yeah, the next video is gonna be an ASMR, a quarantine lockdown ASMR. So just leave me a message on my Instagram if you've got some catchphrases you would want to see featured. Like anything you've heard too much, stuff that it sounds really stupid, you know the drill. Can I roll everyone just with cause? I don't think I can roll over everyone. Kingdra won't die because of that, because Kingdra is water and dragon. And he's gonna use double team. See, that's where foresight would have been useful. Let's not give up. Pursuit, good. Good. Oh my god. He's got a berry to wake up. Right. Leaf Blade, that bitch. Still not enough. Oh my, please stop using double team. You use that like 3 times and then you start attacking. Come on and slam, and he's already too evasive. Oh, you try. Okay. But this time around he should be already asleep. Blah. Blah. Leaf Blade. Amiga's gonna wake up on the next turn. And keep using double team. Evasiveness Rose. Yeah, I thought we were gonna be able to do that within 10 minutes, but one decided to be a little bitch about it. Fuck. Just one ice beam. Beautiful. He already forced me into using Imperio. Go, beautiful. Thing is, same issue, because Kingdra still has Ice Beam, and Dragon type Pokemon, that's gonna be an F for me, boys. What a turn of events. Great. You're just gonna die here, right? Fucking Kingdra. Good tactic though. 1. So I recognize that it's an actual good gym leader. I just got a tactic. Make sure I can't freaking hit. Ice Beam's gonna one-shot everything, right? Oh well. Please don't freeze. Ooh, Crabhammer connected. Only thing is, it's a water type move. Everything I got is water type. I'm gonna do a Mad Lad thing. Next Pokemon's gonna be Dio, and we're gonna hope for the best because I'm gonna use Dynamic Punch, which only got an accuracy of 50. So we're gonna see if that plus Kingdra being already so evasive. Do it, Dio. Please do it, Dio. Should just get a Pokemon with Swift. Swift never misses. I think Shockwave too. Please! As if I was ever lucky. As if anything was given to me. Great! I've no clue what to do right now. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna lose this one. This is an F. Clearly an F. But I don't know how to combat that evasiveness. I think I'm gonna have to do something else. That is, get Rayquaza and Polio to start that. Nothing will connect. To start against Kingdra. Well, one hit did hit, and he went to rest. Coward, at least kill me. Blizzard, since you're poor dragon type. Would have been good if it could connect. Please, maybe not 3 times in a row. It got to wake up and to use Ice Beam. Wow, what a ton of events! Just kill me. Now you're gonna use Water Pearls. You think that's gonna do? Okay, but Water Pearls was not bad, actually. Big F. F's in the chat, boys. Okay, we're gonna whimper with our tail between our legs. Our common tail. Look, I got 3 more minutes to try and make this a 1-hour stream, which I will definitely not get to accomplish. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like a Dark Souls boss, this dude. It's always talk before I can get to fight him again. Yeah, enough chatter, and you still say 3 more fucking lines after saying that. All my talks of building a proper team before fighting the Elite Four without using Legendary, I'm gonna have to use the Legendary so I can get to the Elite Four. I'm such a soy boy. Leaf Blade. Fake ass Sealeo. Fat ass Pokemon. Cars is my starter with the highest level already. Emperio. It should have been Emporio, but I decided to go with Emperio to differentiate a bit. Outrage. Hoo hoo hoo! Hoo hoo hoo! Bitch! Well, okay, I'm level 70, so not much to brag about right now. Whiscash. Cars should do the trick. Emperio, good. Look, you're given only 1 Pokeball, you deserve it. Leaf Blade. Slash that bitch. It's super effective. Groudon. Only took 2 takes and a legendary Pokemon. And it's a 1 hour mark. Close too. It's fine, right? And this wraps up all the gym leaders of the Hoenn region. Player defeated leader 1. Ah ha ha ha, excellent, very well. You are the winner. That's good, he's encouraging me. From you I sense a brilliant shine of skill that will overcome all. However, compared with me or even Wallace, you are lacking in elegance. And you had to be a bitch about it. Perhaps I should make you a loan of my outfit. Haha, I merely jest. Rather than my clothes, I shall reward you with this. A rain badge. Got, there was a lady in your basement that gave out more money. Receive a rain badge from 1. Having the rain badge shall assure you full obedience of all your Pokemon, to your very command. The rain badge also allows the use of HM move Waterfall to scale walls of cascading water, and so that you never forget the battle we shared. Take this. Obtain the TM03. What is that? Water pearls? Machine I handed you contains water pearls, and in use it will occasionally confuse the target with ultrasonic waves. And read registered in the Pokénav. Of course we would. Thank you, Juan. Let me go and heal real quick. You can't run indoors, so I have to do that slow walk. And when I leave, I think they talk to me, Wallace and Steven, or are they gone? They're gone, everybody's gone. Everybody went back to their normal life. They were waiting for me to beat the gym leader. It's pretty weird. It's like a church, isn't it? But that's gonna be it for today, I guess. Not just I guess, I am sure. It was way more chill than yesterday. Yesterday was a catastrophe. I was just so fucking pissed by everything. Wow. Well, you have to give me that. It was fucking annoying to walk that route when I just wanted to get shit done. But yeah, that's it for today. And please stay home and please take care. Stay safe. And I'll see you hopefully tomorrow with a whole new gear. Right? Yo.